Open the boxes with your box cutter carefully to avoid scratching the finished panel surface. Neatly lay out all the parts and hardware and identify them using the parts list. We recommend placing finished panels on a towel to prevent accidentally scratching the surface during assembly. Lay the cabinet door on your work surface with the pre-drilled holes facing upward. Attach the rubber bumpers to the front corners of your door panel. Insert the hinges into the large pre-drilled holes and fasten them using the provided screws. Set your door aside. Place one of the side panels on your work surface with the pre-drilled holes facing upward. Add a small amount of wood glue to the dowel holes toward the top of your side panel. Locate the top panel of your cabinet box and align the dowels with the holes on your side panel. Push the dowels on your top panel into place and gently tap it with your mallet to eliminate any gaps. Locate the backing of your cabinet box and align it with the long joint groove at the back of your side panel. Slide the backing into place until it's flush against the top panel. Use your nail gun to secure where the backing and top panel meet. Add a small amount of wood glue to the dowel holes toward the bottom of your side panel. Locate the bottom panel of your cabinet box and align the dowels with the holes on your side panel. Push the dowels on your bottom panel into place and gently tap it with your mallet to eliminate any gaps. Ensure the cabinet's backing is correctly seated within the long joint groove at the back of your bottom panel. Add a small amount of wood glue to the dowels on your top and bottom panels. Locate the remaining side panel and align the pre-drilled holes with the dowels and backing on your cabinet box. Gently tap the connection points with your mallet to eliminate any gaps and ensure your side, bottom, and back panels are correctly aligned. Use your nail gun to secure the connection points at the top and bottom of your side panel. Locate your adjustable shelf supports. Insert the shelf supports into the pre-drilled holes within your cabinet box. Use your claw hammer to straighten the supports and gently tap them into place. Retrieve your door panel and align it with the opening on your cabinet box. Leave a space roughly equal to the thickness of a credit card between your door and the side panel. Using your drill and prepackaged screws, install the hinges inside your cabinet box. Be sure the door closes properly and is flush with the cabinet box before continuing to the next step. Locate the adjustable shelf panels and place them on the supports inside your cabinet box. Congratulations on completing your assembly.